Hello, I'm Joe Smith, and we're about to go on a hunting expedition, going for the lost Velociraptor human. This is my bolt action retriever 20-06. Let's go.
Nice.
What is this?
Is that droppings?
Fresh. This is throw up.
Oh.
He's near. He's ready.
Whoa.
Oh. Hold on. Let's do the call. I think he heard us. Come on, Governor. Let's go.
I think I see something up there. What is that structure?
What is this? This seems to be the home of the beast. Let's go.
Rare.
This is a booby trapping set, so people do not go near. Step over.
Oh!
This is a nice structure.
Very well built.
Let's be honest. Oh, there's even old food under there. This is
What was that?
He has defeated us for now. He might have broken our guns, our $5,600 guns that I got off Kmart. But
I don't
we
even
are
know
gonna
how we
win.
lost them.
We're gonna
Think he's still back up there?
yeah, he's gotta be.
I see his hammock.
Yeah.
We're
Where he
asleep.
sleeps tonight. This must be a scratching something.
Wonder how many people he's killed. We gotta get that thing. He could be anywhere though.
Yeah.
Anywhere.